Alright, we're going to go for a ride here in a really old Ford, 92-year-old Model B 32 Ford, 5-window. This thing is believed to have most of its original paint. It's got the 4-cylinder, 201 cubic inch flathead, 3-speed manual transmission. Look at that, you can see the transmission in the road down there. It's got wood floors, all steel, original car. You never find them this way. Straight out of a barn. Still in great shape. It's got some lacquer check here and there on the paint, but it still shines nice. It's got the pop-out window. It's finished in Washington blue, which is a beautiful color, with Tacoma Cream wheels. Got a nice offset to it. Yeah, factory gauges. Pretty cool. Not much to it. Not a whole lot of options on this one. See that? You hit the brakes, goes left, goes right. Old mechanical brakes, got a lever that pulls them. That's how it was back then. Cruise along, one step above a horse and buggy. But pretty neat car overall. Look at that clock, it's in the mirror. Some pretty neat stuff. Got this from a gentleman that loved 32 Fords. We had his Roadster not too long ago. I think we're getting another one of his. And he just liked to collect them, and now it's time to thin out the herd, so this one's on the block. Anyhow, we're going to go up here and take some more pictures and video for you, show you how everything works. Thanks for watching. All right, we're going to walk around this really original 1932 Model B Ford 5-window coupe with a rumble seat. It's got the mother-in-law window there. That slides down. Of course, a rumble seat with little steps that you can stand on to get in there. Got to be kind of nimble, but you can do it. It's got the 18-inch spoke wheels. Tacoma Cream, nice color to go with the Washington blue and the black fenders. This is believed to be mostly original paint. I kind of believe it. It's got some lacquer check around the fenders where the heat is. Running boards are nice and original. You can see some of that paint checking. But man, it's 92 years old. It's got the Ugo horn, original headlights, even that really cool hood ornament, radiator cap, I guess I should say. But the trim is nice, wheels are nice, the body is super straight, all metal. Been stored for many years. Previous owners of this car were all collectors. They just kept it inside, show off to your friends. So we got the wood floor. 3-speed on the floor, factory gauges, got the pop-out windshield. Of course, the roof is filled with that cloth. And I should say not filled. All the hot rod guys, they fill them and paint them. But that's still the original top. Pretty good looking old car. Should be in a museum. Here's the power plant in the 32 Ford. Look at that, all original under here. It's a 201 cubic inch, little 4-banger. Big chunk of cast iron. Got the downdraft style carburetor. Look at that distributor cap. Those spark plug wires are crazy. Never seen anything like that. Well, I'm a lot younger than this car, but pretty cool. They're rated like 50 horsepower. It's got a 3-speed manual transmission behind it. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Look at that. Chitty chitty bang bang. Sounds good, runs good. It's not a powerhouse, but they weren't powerhouses. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to give you a tour of the car. Thanks for watching.